This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate. Unscrew the plastic nut and pull the rear light cluster rearwards a little. Depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug. Release the 4 clips and detach the bulb holder assembly from the light cluster. Depress the relevant bulb, twist it anti-clockwise a little, and remove it. Most bayonet pin bulbs will only fit in one position. The pins are offset. Align the pins on the bulb with the slots in the bulb holder. Then insert the bulb and rotate it clockwise to secure it. Refit the bulb holder assembly to the light cluster, ensuring the clips engage correctly. Reconnect the wiring plug. Then manoeuvre the light cluster into position on the vehicle body. Tighten the plastic nut clockwise securely and close the tailgate.